What's up, guys? So today we finally got the piece that we've been waiting for. It got here super quick. I don't know how, but I'm very excited about it. As you can see, the part that we kept mentioning in the last video is finally here. It was supposed to be coming in 2 weeks, but I got a notification on my door today, doorbell, ring bell, whatever. And there was a box, and I was like, there's no way. And I opened it, and guess what? It is the piece. I'm very excited about it. Of course, remember, we talked about it last video. This is the part from Carson Motos. And it's a great part that will transform your lowrider S into an ST or an S 2022, 2023. And because mine is a 2021 and 2020, they come with the dash right over here in the middle, and you have your gauges right over here. I relocated them up there with the help of, again, Kraus Motos company. And right here after that, what I did was I was playing around with the PVC pipe. I cut a 4-inch length of this and put some spacer on the bottom, put longer screws, and put my quad lock on here because I was like, oh, that piece is not going to come for a long time, so might as well make this look pretty. Put some stickers on it from a dear friend of mine, and now it's time for them to come off. As you can see, it's a really easy job. As long as you do the relocation for your gauges and you buy that piece and this piece, it should be very simple and easy to do. So let's get started. First thing is first, we're gonna be taking off the seat. Depends on what you have. I have a Phillips screwdriver, this, and your beautiful saddleman seat will come off. That's first. Second, you're gonna have to take this part off. I think it's the 4. Let me see. Yep. There it is. Came right off. All right, cool. That piece is off. And now, actually, we're gonna have to take the stickers off of here. So, see, that's where the screw is, and it's a way longer screw than the original screw that comes with it. That's only if you want to modify it the way I did. But if you don't, you don't have to. I think it's gonna be this one. I can't remember. Oh yeah, it is. Okay. These are long screws. I'm gonna have to do some power. Okay, those are not important for right now because I put them on. See, this is the look of the setup. This is how it would look like, just in case anybody wants to do it. Okay, there's one, and here's two. These actually are not that important, but we'll keep them right over here for right now. And this I made by myself with the help of acrylic sheets. You just cut it like to the size that you want it, and I use this to like, you know, and yeah, it's really easy to make if you want to do one for yourself instead of paying like 300 or 200 or 150 for one online. I mean, the one online definitely is machine made and super nice. Ooh. So this comes off. Now, let's see. It is same size. Ah, they look identical. All right. Let's get to work. Let's go right over here right now. Now this is the piece, and as we saw in the video, the piece goes downwards like that. And then you need to cut right here and right here, and you're good to go. Let's do it. I'm not gonna use any power tool around it. I'm just gonna use a regular saw machine. All right. Second part is done. All right. Okay, and now this part will go right over here. Smooth. I like that too. All right, moment of truth. Now we're gonna see if this actually fits or we just fucked our bike. This goes right here. This goes right there. Yeah, it does fit. Perfect. All right. So, don't forget to take your rubber grommet, the old one, and put it on the new one. Alright, let's put this bad boy on. And this is all hand tied. I haven't tightened anything 100% yet. Just because I want to see how it looks, maybe. And I'm very excited to finally see how the final project is. Alright, and there it is. Oh my god. It looks absolutely wonderful. Wow, this piece brought the whole bike together. Wow. And it's carbon fiber, and it wasn't much. It was 150 bucks. Everybody was selling it for 500, 600. I found it for 150 bucks on eBay. Look at this badass look now. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. The bike is almost finished. I don't think we messed anything up, but let's start it. And there it is. Maybe a quick ride so you guys can see a POV of it. And thank you all for watching. Have a lovely day.